I really enjoy doing landscaping projects, but I'm more of the hardscape and big type stuff outside. What Sarah has done on our deck and sitting areas is create a nice little Shangri-La with plants and pots and all sorts of flowers that really enhance the experience and make you feel really comfortable being out there. One of the things that you need in order to make that be as successful is to have a designated space, and having a potting bench or a gardening bench for that is critical. Let me show you how I built this one. So years ago I read an interview with the producer of This Old House talking about how he hired my hero, Norm Abrams. He was saying that he went past a job site and he saw that there was like almost no waste there on him building a new house, and he was really impressed with that. So I've kind of taken that as a guiding principle in life to try to make as little waste as possible when I use wood. So I try to maximize it. Let me show you how this works on this project to keep waste at a minimum. So not everyone is lucky enough to have a sink outside. We actually have water, hot and cold, on the other side of that wall. So it's not installed yet, but that's coming up pretty soon. But let me show you how you think about buying wood. So first off, think about the dimensions of this thing. I had to buy two 4x4s for the posts. This is 3 feet. Back one's 5 feet. So I'm only using one 8-foot post there. Also the width of it, everything comes in 8-foot stock. This is exactly 4 feet wide. Even the depth of it, when I was thinking about how long to cut the 2x4s that are running in between, I was factoring how wide these 6-inch pieces would be and still have a nice overhang. Even making things a little bit short on the outside so you have the overhang. So just thinking ahead like that lets you map out exactly how much wood you're going to need before you go out and buy it. I'll give you some close-ups right now. Alright, so like I said, construction is really simple. Got a 4x4 post right here. You can see 2x4s on the inside, and then for the joists, if you will, one piece of that the 6-inch piece at the back. On the bottom, the same framing along the bottom. See, to make things shorter, I put the 2x4 on the inside edge before running the stringers across. Saved a little bit of length there. The view underneath. You can see I counted actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So that's 7 pieces of that 6-inch, and they're exactly 4 feet, so there's no waste there. This is a super easy project. I just used, can I see there, metal screws. I think those are 1 5/8 to hold it down, and I think those are just, can I see there, 16 penny nails, galvanized, holding the frame together. I actually use my air nailer, but any nails will work. But like I said, simple little project. Sarah's super happy with it. You can see it gets a lot of use. A lot of stuff out here. I built it several years ago. It's held up pretty well. A little bit of moss growing on the bottom, but that's it. So there's our gardening bench. Nice, simple, easy project. Try it yourself. Josh out.